gummy bear.
Brand new.
Ice cream on deck. Yes, the whole box. We got the whole box, but we're gonna probably gonna need the whole box. Got ice cream on deck. Wait, we didn't get the. We didn't get the milk yet. Got the milk right here. All right, we got ice cream on deck.
Sure, cup.
Milk, cup, camera, bears. You ready to do this?
Yes.
You know,
I've just seen that those one guys do it, and so they gotta do what?
bro, they got a low pain tolerance, bro.
Hopefully the McDonald's went down.
I hope the McDonald's went down, bro. I'm not trying to throw it. All right, so you gonna take turns eating it? Or?
Yeah, I thought you were gonna go first. You go first.
I didn't say I was gonna go first.
Yeah, you did.
I did?
Yes.
Alright.
And you did remember.
This is it right here. See that?
This little gummy bear made a grown man throw up.
I'm just building because I ain't no grown man.
See you, little boy.
Look at this, bro. See that?
Yeah.
Wait, what? It's holding a stick of dynamite, bro.
Wait. Oh, okay. Okay, that's dope. Oh wait, it died.
Yeah, just
Oh
yeah, the
shit.
screen turns off. Yeah, bro. Bro.
Yeah, I'm not gonna spell that. I'm not gonna have seed it. You ready?
Alright, bro.
Oh, they just come with the sticker?
It comes with a little challenge.
Oh, let me see. Can you go 5 minutes without a relief? Do you want to do it?
5 minutes? Yeah, let me get the timer.
Here, I got my phone.
Alright,
5 minutes.
5 minutes. Hold it, bro. I gotta psych myself up for this, bro.
5 minutes to start.
Oh, yeah, it's burning already, bro.
Good, man.
It's not even tasting anymore, it's just burning. Bro, I'm already feeling it, bro.
Did you get the trash can?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Bro, you got the timer on?
Yeah, timer's on.
Oh, my throat is burning already.
You have 4 minutes, bro. You haven't been past the minutes.
Bro, alright, 1 minute.
Yeah, that's 1 minute, bro. It's just 1 minute.
It's not even a taste anymore, it's just pain.
Just me.
Oh, that's a lot, bro. Oh.
Whoa, did you spit it out?
Yeah, it's still burning. It's still burning.
You spit the gummy bear out.
Yeah.
You failed the challenge then.
No, I didn't.
You have to keep it in your mouth for 5 minutes without a relief.
What?
Yeah, I mean, I don't think they'll take it out.
Alright. Oh, fuck.
Do you want me to get your trash can, bro?
Is there a relief or why you can't keep the hotness over?
Do you want me to pour you a glass of milk? Want to go for a little run?
I can't. Oh, this is a different type of pain.
This is new pain.
This is new pain. I'm surviving this one. I can't talk. Oh my god. Yeah.
Has to take off his glasses. You gotta sit down, bro.
I can't.
Got 1 minute 30 seconds left.
My face is burning.
Oh my god, you're crying. I can actually see that shit.
Bro. Oh, my chest is burning. How much time we got left?
Shoot, let me see. You got 1 more minute. Hey, when it hits 30 seconds, I'll pour you a glass of milk so you can just like take this shit straight away.
Oh.
You gotta punch the wall, my pillar. 30 seconds left.
Bro, it's literally burning. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh,
There. Oh my god, there's drool on his shirt, bro. Oh, that's disgusting.
Bro, you're pouring another way.
Yo, I don't know what. Here, take an ice cream sandwich then.
Fuck, give me the jug. Give me that jug.
My jug. You're not about it. My milk. I want my milk back, man.
Sandwich, bro.
You want a sandwich?
Please. I need this right now. Open it, please.
Yo, but you good?
No. I'm not good, bro.
Sandwich.
None of it's working. It's not working. Oh, none of this is working.
Do you want to try the water?
Yes.
Can you drop my milk now?
Oh, wait. Oh my god.
Where's the cap? There's a cap for the milk.
I don't know.
How's the chug jug tasting?
I think you should spare yourself from this.
Nah, bro. Nah, I wanna do it. I wanna see. I wanna see what all the hype is about.
Do you not see me right now, bro?
What would you like compare it to?
Bro, it's literally like just inhaling fire.
Inhaling smoke?
I can't even speak correctly right now, bro. I need to sit down.
I don't. You weren't even recording on the phone.
Record now. That's
Alright. Recording on the phone now. What's your warning after doing this low nitro challenge?
Bro, only do this if you have a bucket list. Yo, my dead ass throw up. Bro. It's cold. Oh.
Yeah, your GoPro's on 38%.
I have extra battery. Bro, yeah. You gotta do it, bro. Matter of fact. Oh. I tripped on the controller wire, bro. Bro. Wait, we gotta get this stuff out first. Wait, no, actually, no, the bread's right there. We got the bucket ready. We got the water that I drank.
Just gonna move the water, just on the bread.
The glass right here.
It's raspberry flavor.
You can do it whenever you want, bro. Put on 5 minutes with that.
Mm.
Yeah, you feeling that already, huh? That's how I felt.
Mm.
You gotta chew it, bro.
Mm-hmm. Oh god.
I'll put it down right there.
Mm. Mm.
Oh, yeah. You good? Yo. Cause I spit it out. Cause I swallowed some of my saliva, bro. That's how I got the heartburn. That's how I got the chest burn. Yeah. Oh, you got 3 minutes 50 seconds left, bro. Yeah, you don't have to talk, bro. You don't. It's burning now. You need water?
No, what's the time?
3. You still got 3 minutes left. It just got to 3 minutes. Yeah, 3 minutes. You got 2:58. Yo. Oh. Oh shit. Yo. He's on the floor.
Back on.
You had to put it back on. You got 2 minutes 12 seconds. You can do this, bro. Like you can actually do this. Look at that. Oh, it's still kind of watery, low key. That's how I felt. That's what I felt.
Oh, really?
That's what I felt, bro. Okay. Like I was crying and like, bro, I couldn't even feel my face no more. A minute 15 left. You bro, you could actually get it done. I'm telling you.
44?
Yeah. You doing it, bro.
Alright.
You're taking it very well, bro. 4, 3, 2, 1. You need the water, bro? The bear's not doing nothing? Bro. Bro, your glass is over there on the table. Hey, bro, you got a wine glass for the milk? Oh, yeah.
That's right. Didn't the milk make you throw up?
The only reason the milk made me throw up is because I drank like half the gallon. Sure.
I can still feel something in the corner of my mouth.
It comes.
What was that?
Yeah, it came back. Yeah, bro. I was like, it's not gonna go away that easily.
My nose is stuck in the shit for some reason.
Yeah, my nose is running too.
Oh, what the fuck?
Did you take a picture? Wait, what happened? You throwing up? Yo, he's throwing up. Oh, my eyes are still watering. Look here. Are you good in there?
Yeah. Hey, Mom. What?
Give me some toilet paper.
Yeah. Ooh, here.
You good?
No, not.
It was the milk that made everything feel better, not better, worse. So at least we can solve the mystery.
Yeah.
The milk made us.
The milk made everything worse.
Yo, shit shaky.
I know. Well, so what do you think about this one?
It's fine. It's just.
No, it was not fun. What are you talking about?
I know the. Kind of tastes a little bit of the raspberry. You know. Before you're not executed.
If you didn't know, it's raspberry flavor.
Let me search it up, and it said it's raspberry flavored, but you won't know because of the way it just ignites your body.
That 5 minutes for me
Was long as shit.
was so long.
It was the 5 minutes for you was long, but like for me, it just felt like 5 minutes just went by.
Anything you want to say to the video? Put it in, or like put it up.
Don't do this shit.
Only eat the gummy bear at your own risk, bro.